So today we were showing you the Realtree AP Gray seat covers, but just so you know that there's lots of different camo options for you. Here are some of the other Realtrees. Here's the Realtree AP Green, Realtree AP Gray right there, Realtree AP Snow, Max 4, still in a Realtree Max 5. Okay, then we move into some Mossy Oak options. And here's the Mossy Oak Blades, Mossy Oak Breakup, new Breakup. Here's the Mossy Oak Pink Camo, and Mossy Oak Breakup Country, and then Mossy Oak Mountain Country. Okay, so you can see that there's a lot of different ones. Those are some of the Mossy Oaks. And then here's the next camo. This is the Bones here, right there. And then this gets into Muddy Girl, or Muddy Girl Serenity. It used to be Moonshine, now it's Surface. And a couple of these other colors here. Moonshine Wildfire, that's a nice one with some reds and blacks in it. Probably my favorite Moonshine one is the Harvest Moon, blacks and grays in there. And here's that Bones camo as well right there. So just to show you that there's different camo options available, and you can do a black trim with these. So be sure to contact us through coversandcamo.com to see what camos are available for your vehicle, and we'd love to get a set going for you today.